Right, now if we go back to the example that I used StatCrunch to generate a scatter plot for us, we're going to take a closer look at this. So again, the data in this place, in this example, were shown based on the students of a small microbiology course. Again, the professor was looking at the association between the amount of time slept and the score on a quiz. Right? So looking at our scatter plot, notice that our x-axis is our time, and then our y-axis is our quiz score. Right, so we're going to answer some questions about the three different things that we just talked about. So what is the trend of the data? Right, so trend, remember, we're thinking one of four things: either positive, negative, no trend, or changing trend. Well, if we look at this, again, it's not perfect, but it appears to be a positive trend. Right, as we go to the right, for the most part, they go up. This one value right here doesn't quite fit in, but for the most part, this does show a increasing or positive trend. Right, so what this means is as time, which is our x, increases, then our quiz score, which is y, also increases. So as x increases, then y also increases. So if we're thinking increasing, positive trend here. What is the strength of the association of data? Why? So what I'm going to say here is that it is moderately strong. There's not a huge amount of scatter or vertical spread. Right now we're using kind of general words. We could say moderately strong, moderately weak, something along those lines, and we'll see that kind of in the next example as well as we're looking at that. We will have a way to quantify, or a way to mathematically decide whether or not something is strong starting in the next section. So we're kind of leaving strong and weak a little bit vague for now, but we will have a better answer when we get into the next section in section 4.2. Right. What is the shape of the following distribution? Well, this appears to be pretty linear. Right, so we appear to be pretty much in a straight line. Again, aside from that one value that's over here, our data appears to create a straight line. It's not a big blob. It's not something that is better represented by a curve. Right, so in this example, we took the scatter plot that was generated in StatCrunch, and we looked at and talked about those three different things that we've been speaking about in this section: our trend, our strength, and our shape.